Ryze Tello Mini Drone Quadcopter UAV for Kids Beginners 5MP Camera Hs720 Video 13-minute Flight Time Education Scratch Programming Toy Selfies, powered by DJI, White. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, the Tello drone shoots incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with easy shots and share them on social media from your smartphone. Camera features 5MP, 2592 by 1936 photos and Hs720 videos at a maximum flight time of 13 minutes. Tello has two antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Thanks to all the tech that Tello's packing, like a flight controller powered by DJI, you can perform awesome tricks with this mini drone. Flying has never been so fun and easy. What you get: Ryze Tello powered by DJI, for X propellers, pair, propeller guards, set, battery, micro USB cable, propeller removal tool. Video capture resolution, HD 720p.